a 90-degree turn of your head, and your peripheral vision will catch light and motion. They'll see, like, you'll see anything moving, anything bright, whatever. And then when you're checking your right blind spot, it's through this window over here. And I'm going to show you actually exactly where your blind spots are later on. Not today, but tomorrow. Or next time. Yeah. Okay, so now we could go ahead and put your seatbelt on. We'll set up. And you also have proper shoes. No big safety boots. No flip-flops. No bare feet. Some people get in here with the high heels. Some of the women, I'm like, no. You need to be able to feel the pedals. So. And then before you take off, you want to make sure you got your documentation, your license and all that. Everything's ready to go. And so it's a good idea to plan your route ahead of time. So right now I don't know where we're going. We're just gonna drive around. We're not doing anything too fancy today. Just gonna stay on the back roads and do a few exercises, steering exercise, braking exercise, just to get you used to the vehicle. Okay, so go ahead and push the brake. Press that button back here and put it in drive. So now when you release the brake, the car will roll forward. You don't even need any gas right away anyway. So go ahead and signal left. That indicates that we're pulling away from the side of the road. And lock it down. There we go. And then before you go, you want to see if there's anyone approaching you from back there. I got my mirror over here too. Okay, and then you want to check over your left blind spot to see if there's any pedestrians or kids or anything walking past. And if not, then we can pull away from the curb. Yeah, you want to turn that steering wheel to the left. A little bit more. A little more. Yeah. There we go. And right about here, a little shot of gas that gets you started. And then back over to the right. Okay. And you can push the gas a little bit, gradually bringing up your speed. You'll get the feel for it. Every car is a little different.